Okay, intro to stats. Here is the review for exam 1. This is page 2. If you take a look at page 1, it really just lists everything you want to make sure you are comfortable with. Okay. So question 1. Classify each variable as quantitative. Remember, that's numerical, or qualitative, which is categorical. So let us change up here so it's a little easier to see. So we got numerical, categorical. So our yearly income, definitely numerical, that is quantitative. Name of basketball coach, qualitative. Gender, also qualitative. Favorite food, qualitative. Number of children, quantitative. We can average those. Hours studied, quantitative. Zip code, now it is numerical, so quantitative, but we had a special name for this. This is a designator because a greater zip code, a higher number zip code, is not better or worse than something that's lower. Gallons of gas, quantitative. Question 2 asks you to use that word bank and identify what is going on here. So the researcher is studying how many college students regularly watch TV, the TV show America's Got Talent. The researcher found that out of 175 students who responded to a survey, that's important, 20% regularly watch America's Got Talent. So we're going to fill in the blanks using the following terms. So the blank is all college students. Keep in mind, this is what we are trying to get a feel for. It is not who we sampled. This is our population. Trying to gain an understanding of what we think the population of college students do here. The sample is the 175 students surveyed by the researcher. Okay, so we've used population, we've used sample. The percentage of 20%, it refers to the sample, so it's called our statistic. The 175 is the sample size. The percentage of all college students who regularly watch America's Got Talent would be called our parameter. Population parameter, sample statistic. Those are consistent with each other. Okay. We've got a law firm with 225 workers in 4 categories of employees. We've separated this into law clerks, paralegal, lawyers, and partners. A researcher proposes 5 different ways to poll the employees on the satisfaction with their insurance benefits. Okay. We have got 5 options for sampling method. So let's see what we got here. A says we're going to sort the list of employee ID numbers, start with the 4th employee, choose every 12th. That would be systematic. And this is what clues us into that. Second one, we're going to stand at the front door and give the survey to every employee who shows up to work between 7:30 and 8:30. Since the researcher is not available after that time, that would be a convenient sample. Right, we are ambushing them as they walk through the front door. We're going to use a computer program to randomly select 50 employee ID numbers. That would be a simple random sample. That random selection kind of gives it away. We're going to randomly select and survey 5 law clerks, 20 paralegals, 20 lawyers, and 5 partners. That would be stratified. We are randomly selecting from each of the stratas, right? Each of the divisions. Our last one here, divide everyone in the firm by which of the 12 floors of the building they work in. Randomly select 2 floors and survey every individual in those 2 floors. That's cluster sampling. Okay, we divide everyone by the 10 floors, randomly select, and then survey every individual in each of those clusters.